Hi, I'm Mike Handverger with Tricky Fast Studios. Today I'm going to start talking about NPC behaviors in Cat RPG Builder. This first video is going to be about the attack behavior. By the end of this video, you should be able to take an NPC that you've set up using some of the other videos we've gone over and add an attack behavior so it attacks the player. So I've created this scene using some assets off of the asset store. I'll add some links to them in the description of the video. I've also added a goblin. Now the goblin does have some things on him already. He does have a state machine. He doesn't have any states on the state machine though. But he does have an overhead indicator behavior, a triggered action so that when his health is equal to 0 he goes into the dead state, which currently doesn't exist. And then he has an on-hit trigger which sets an animation parameter to show that he got hurt. So, right now, if we give this a try, we can walk down here, and he's just kind of standing there. You can take a swing at him. We could probably eventually kill him, but he doesn't have a dead state, so we wouldn't be able to tell anything. So pretty boring. Let's start by adding some states. So we'll add the attack state, and then we'll add the dead state. Now, in the attack state, we want to use the attack behavior. So, let's add that. There's actually not a lot of parameters to this. It takes a target, which is the creature to put the behavior onto, and then an attack target, which is the creature to attack. So we'll set that to the player. It can also override the default attack ability. For now, we're going to leave that as is, which is this guy's attack ability. You can set an interval of how often it uses the ability. So let's do 2. Face target speed, that's how fast it turns to face the target. And then we could play an animation if we wanted to. We need to add the walk parameter, which is going to be owner and body. And if we take a look over here at the body on the animator, it's got a velocity, dead, hurt, and attack. So it's pretty simple. So we just want to set velocity. While we're at it, let's set up the dead state. Really, all we need to do in the dead state is to set the trigger for dead. And we want to set that on owner, but we want to also go to a path of body, and the parameter is dead. That will put his animation into the dead state. One other thing we need to do here on the goblin is to set his initial state. We'll set that to attack. One other thing we need to do is we actually set this walk parameter wrong, so we're going to set it to velocity z. So let's give that a try. Since we told him to directly attack the player, he should just come straight for us, no matter where we are. There he comes, he's running up. He's attacking. We can attack him. We block that. Now we're not getting a lot of feedback here. He is doing the hurt animation because we had that other little thing. Oh, we just killed him. But we couldn't really tell that we were hitting him. So let's just quickly add one other thing to our attack state here, which is, combat text behavior. And we've got a health bar prefab, so we just want to set a whole bunch of prefabs here. Health bar display type when in combat, so that the health bar will only display when he's in combat. So damage prefab, let's see. That one. Just show that. Okay, damage, dodge. These are already created in the examples. I believe we've talked about the combat text behavior before. Heal, miss. Oops, we took dodge and block and put them. There we go. So we got heal, miss, block, dodge, and damage. And we got a health bar. Okay, so now, if we give this a try, here he comes running up. He's going to attack us. If we attack him, he's got a health bar above his head now. And we see the little numbers going up when I hit him. There, I just killed him. Now, typically, you're not going to want to have everybody set directly on attack, because that means they're just going to immediately go find the player wherever he is or she is. So I'll show you what I mean. If I start up here, kind of come down the stairs a little bit. Now, he can't see me from where he is, but he still is going to come in here and attack me. So it doesn't matter. That's not normally the way you would set up an NPC with their state set like that. In the following videos, we're going to talk about other behaviors that may be more useful to start the NPC on. In this video, you should have learned how to set up an NPC with the attack behavior so that he goes after the player and tries to attack. You should have also learned how to set up combat text behavior so that there's a health bar above the NPC when they're getting attacked, and also it shows damage or other combat text. I hope you found this video informative and useful. Let us know in the comments if there are any other videos or tutorials you'd like to see. Be sure to subscribe and follow us on social media for the latest videos and other news. For more information on Cat or Cat RPG Builder and how they can help you build and prototype RPGs faster, please visit catgamebuilder.com. I'm Mike Handberger with Tricky Fast Studios. Thanks for watching.